How to add content with blocks in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add content with blocks in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard and then you can choose the website you want to add the content. After that, you can go to a website here and then you can go to pages and now you can choose the page you want to add the content. So let's say I'm gonna add it on home. So yeah, I'm gonna choose home page and then you can click edit to go to website editor. And now you have to add a section first. So I'm gonna choose where the section is. So let's say I'm gonna add section here and you can choose blank. Now you can add blocks here. As you can see, there is option here. You can click it, and there is block for text, image, video, button, audio, and others. So let's say we're gonna add image first, and then you can customize it. Maybe you want to make it bigger. Select that. You can drag and drop. Select that. It's very easy. So, and then let's say you want to add more, you can just click block here. Maybe you want to add text, you can, drag again, drag and drop, and then you can customize the size of the block. And maybe you want to add more, maybe you want to add um, maybe video, and then you can just drag and drop. As you can see, you can place it wherever you want and it's very flexible. So you can also add more a block here in the bottom. Let's say I'm gonna add new block, maybe audio. Can just drag it, and just drop it wherever you want. So yeah, and then you can upload the image, audio, video, and others. And then don't forget to click save. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.